My range...
Türkler gelin, Türkler gelin.
Yo, tell your range to sprint and go west. Tell your range to sprint and go west, okay?
Range'ler West'e doğru koşun geçip Çoko. Çoko geçip West'e doğru koşun.
Yo, they are coming. Stay spread. Give me in the choke. Give me in the choke. Give me in the choke. Get ready to turn northeast. My Turkish turn northeast, boys. Turn northeast on them. Turn northeast.
Northeast'e vurun, Northeast'e vurun, Northeast'e vurun.
My party full east, full east. Wait, full east in 3, 2, 1. Full fucking east now. East. Hit them on the east. Hit them on the east. Hit them east.
We are hitting them. We need your help.
Hit them on the east. East, my party. Full push on them east. Full push on them east, my group. Full push east. My Turkish group northeast. Everyone northeast, my Turkish. Everyone northeast.
Türkler Northeast'e doğru pushlayın.
Go southeast, my Turkish. Go southeast. Go southeast, my English. Go southeast.
Turkish Northeast'e gel.
Okay, they're all dead. Stop. Let them flank on the north. Let them come, boys. It's okay. Try to fake engage on the southwest, okay, boys? Fake engage on the southwest was in 3, 2, 1. Fake engage on the southwest. Continue to hit their tanks. Fake engage on the southwest, my tanks. Stay back, boys. Stay back. Hit their melee. Hold, come back a bit northeast. Okay, now they're coming. Stay spread. Give me in the choke. Give me in the choke. Get ready to counter southwest in 3, 2, 1. Everything southwest on the front line. Hit the fucking front line. Southwest. They're all fucking low southwest. Go southwest, boys. They're all fucking low. Now kill their tanks. All with me. Hold on me. Kill their tanks. Hold on me. Get ready. We'll come in and choke. Spread, boys. Back a bit northeast. Give me in the back. Stop backing. Hold here. Get ready to turn. Take this red. Get ready to turn southwest. Stay back. Get ready to turn southwest, boys, in 3, 2, 1. Is your boot go southwest in your choke. Go deep southwest in your choke. Come deep southwest in your choke. It's fucking huge. Southwest in your choke. Fucking huge. Okay, hold here. Kill this guy in Saravas. And back northeast. They will come. I need to front back northeast a bit. We need to heal up. Don't come back if you are. Don't come back. They're all coming now. Say back. Spread west to east after the heal. Get ready to counter southwest. Wait. Southwest in 3, 2, 1. On their front line right now. Southwest. Southwest on their fucking front line. Southwest, delete their fucking front line. Kill their fucking axe inside of us. And start to push southeast. Start to push. Take the place inside. Kill this guy. And this axe inside of us.
Spread, guys.
Spread. Stay spread, boys. Hold on me. Spread northwest to southeast. Start to surrounding them by the southeast. Okay, give me heal in front. Nice reset. Try to full engage southwest on that front line in 3, 2, 1. Southwest on that front line. Full fucking southwest on that front line. Southwest on that front line, boys. Southwest on that front line. Go in my melee. Okay, come back northeast. My range, stay back northeast. My range, give me heal in front. Stay back northeast, my range. My melee stays in and kill their melee, please. Kill their melee. Okay, now kill their melee. Stop backing. Kill their melee, boys. Kill their melee inside my backline. They should be dead. This guy should be dead. Start to push southwest. We'll engage southwest in 3, 2, 1. We are going southwest now. In the choke. Go deep southwest. Catch that fucking melee DPS southwest. Okay, don't come. Stay back. They will come. Stay spread. Northwest to southeast, boys. Now they're coming. Give me locus and reset in the back. Boys. Don't stop leaving. Get ready to counter. Counter 5 sec inside of us. 5 seconds inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Southwest on me. Look to come southwest. It's fucking huge. It's a fucking cannon. Yeah, my boy. Eat this shit. Take this reset. Okay, hold on me. On chase. There are a lot of melee. Stay spread, boys. Stay spread. Northwest to southeast. Don't come back if you're dead. Hold here. Take this reset. Good reset. They're coming. Spread a bit. Stay spread. All good. Get ready to turn inside of us in 3, 2, 1. Inside of us now. You guys inside us. Look the cannon. Huge cannon, boys. Huge fucking cannon. Kill this shit. Okay, leave. Start to work on them. They will engage on you. Stay back now. Give me in the back. Get ready to turn on their melees, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Eat their melees inside of us. On the west. Their melees inside of us on the west, boys. It's fucking huge. Eat all their fucking melees inside of us. Inside of us, boys. Continue to go in, my melee. My melee, you should go in. Go in, my melee. Go in. My range, stay back. Give me in front. Stop, boys. Hold here. Spread north to southeast. Take the blaze from the northwest. Start to go on them, northwest. Okay, they will come, boys. Give me long to east, give me long to east. Try to turn southwest. Southwest inside of us again, boys, in 3, 2, 1. Southwest inside of us now. Southwest inside of us now, boys. Southwest inside of us, southwest. On me, southwest, boys. Go deep southwest. Please, use your fucking DPS southwest, boys. What the fuck, boys? Okay, come back. Finish the guy. Move back east. North to south. You remember, boys? Let them engage, boys. North to south, don't let them come from southeast, okay? They don't surround me from southeast. You are on 2 more northwest, boys. Spread around the hideout, okay? Our point, it's the hideout. You are spreading around the fucking hideout. Use the fucking hideout. Start to poke their tanks on the southeast. Their tanks start to come around from the southeast. Start to poke them. It's all good. Yeah, they want to balance. Yo. Finish already the Albert in my backline. Yeah, finish this guy.
T'as une dizaine.
This guy should be dead. They will engage on this. Stay spread. Ben, take your group, go to the northwest. Don't let them come around me.
Hey, come northwest, guys. Comes in my part.
Nah, it's all good. They are all coming back. Come back to me. Start to poke their tanks again. Boys. Stay spread. Northwest to southeast. They're all coming now. It's all good. No, it's only their range, boys. Get ready to counter in the choke. Wait a bit again. In the choke is in 3, 2, 1. Everything in the choke now. Eat the choke northeast, boys. Deep in the choke northeast. Deep on the fucking choke northeast, boys. My melee going. If give me in front. Don't kite back. Kill their melees. Don't kite back. Kill their melees. Kill their fucking melees. Don't push the choke. Stop fucking looting, retards. Come back southwest. Give me in front, they're all coming back. Give me in front. Get ready to turn in the choke, boys. Wait, in 3, 2, 1. Deep northeast, boys. Deep. Go fucking deep northeast. Where's my camera? You are fucking sleeping. Go fucking deep northeast. My minions and come back, everyone. Come back. Stay spread. Kill the guys inside of us. We have fucking millies inside of us. Stay spread, boys. They will come in the choke, boys. Again. Stay spread. Stay all spread. Yo, Ben.
Yo,
Go
I
north,
guess he
take your
died.
group.
I'm dead. I'm coming back.
No, don't come back. If you are dead, don't come back. Oh my god, man, you can't die on this. I don't have any shot now. We fuck them if you go northwest, but yeah. Yo, my move west. Everyone move west. We are moving west of the rock. Northwest of the rock now. Northwest of the rock now. Follow me. Follow the crown, boys. Follow the crown. Look east. Start to work on them east. Start to work on them southeast. Start to work on them southeast. My backline, don't be late or you will get engaged by Brian. Start to south. Okay, they move. Move back northwest. Boys. West. It's all good. Poke these things. Okay, move west. Don't get engaged, my backline. Move west now. Move south now. Okay, let them come, boys. Yo, hold here. Look the northeast. Hold here. They will come in, boys. Hold here. Yo, my tank, start pushing. My melee, start to pushing east, my melee. It's all good. Don't let them come from northwest. Don't let them surrounding us from northwest. Eat their fucking melees inside us. My melee, don't die alone in their fucking backline. Come back when you are half HP, boys. Don't let them surround us from northeast, boys. Get ready to cut them northeast, boys. They start to back northeast. Get ready to cut them northeast. Start to walk my tank. Start to walk with me. Get ready to cut them northeast, boys. In 3, 2, 1. Cut the northeast now. Cut the fucking northeast now. And come back at west. Come back west. Give me all the wheels in front. Come back west. Please walk west, boys. Don't die on this. It's fucking side engage. Stay spread, boys. Stay spread on the west. Eat their fucking melees inside of us. 10 seconds for the next engage, boys. All the east. Fucking east. Everyone start to walk east. Get ready to full engage east. Down the hill northeast. Boys. In 3, 2, 1. Down the hill northeast. Full northeast. On me. Look the camera northeast. Look the fucking camera northeast. Eat the fucking camera full northeast. Near the lake. It's huge. Huge, my boys. Come back west now. Come back west. Heal on the front. All the way in the front. My front is getting engaged. All the way in the front. In the fucking front line. Move back west. Kill the melees inside of us. the militant tanks inside of us. Keep the militant tanks inside of us. Keep the militant tanks inside of us. Hold. Spread south to north. Finish their tanks. Start to move east. Start to walk east, my boys. Start to walk east. Get ready to eat the northeast, boys. They're fucking spread. Yo, start to take the place from southeast. From southeast, boys. Don't let them surrounding us, boys. Catch Africa. Africa should die on this. He's dying on this. Don't drop Fury. Why are you dropping your fucking brimstone, retard? 2 brimstone wasted for this retard. Move northeast. Spread northwest to southeast, boys. Northwest to southeast. You need to see the crown. You need to see the fucking crown, boys. Move to east. Surrounding them from southeast. Start to take the place southeast. I want some people
If you die, don't
around the
come
lake.
back.
Why? I have no one around the lake. I have no one near the lake. Hello? Okay, my party start to come.
Coming southeast.
Huh? No.
Choke.
Yeah, so hold on me.
Go.
Give me southwest. Get ready to turn on the northeast choke in 3, 2, 1. Everything northeast down their tanks. Northeast of me on their tanks. Hit their tanks. Deep. It's huge, my boys. It's fucking huge. Hit their tanks. Okay, move south. Move south, have the hill. For the crown. South. Follow south on me. Move east. Everyone move east. Yo, all the guys down southwest. Hello. Play the game and move.
Yukarı gelin.
Spread southwest. Spread west to east. Start to put their galas. They're all coming now. Spread. Give me on the southwest. Get ready to turn northeast. It's so good. Full northeast, boys. Get ready to come northeast in 3, 2, 1. Full northeast now. Full fucking northeast now. Send full fucking northeast, boys. Full fucking northeast. It's huge, my boys. Chase east. My melee chase east. Chase northeast. Huge cannon again. They're fighting to a group. East on me, boys. Stop chasing. Follow the main zag. East on me. Okay, stop
Don't
hitting.
take care, it's okay.